what is my top strategy for surviving volatile markets? And I am talking about volatile markets when Bitcoin is consolidating within a range. I think a very good example would be from about March 2024 to about now, right? Until Bitcoin actually gets that smooth breakout above its all time highs. We're still ranging, and when we are ranging, my opinion is that altcoins are going to be very volatile. The top 100, 200 altcoins are going to be less volatile. And of course, the even smaller ones, they could be even more. They could go 30, 50% down in a week. I've seen that. Now, um, I'm gonna talk about Moonwell in this video here, and also gonna be talking about some setups as well as price targets, but using my thoughts on volatile markets as a backdrop here, right? So what I'm seeing here from Moonwell since the last time I've actually done an update was that I've talked about a falling wedge pattern. Okay, that was forming. Okay, that it looks like the price action is still trying to break out of. Okay, now there has been a fake out right here back in May 26th, right? And why was it a fake out was because we had an established falling wedge pattern. It had actually tried to break above the top trend line here before waking back down into the pattern here. Now, that is still, in my opinion, this is still a valid falling wedge pattern here. And what you guys should know about the pattern is that it usually breaks to the upside. Okay. Now, this is still valid, and the price target, if it breaks out by this point, I think it's reasonable to put it there since it's pretty close to that top trend line here. Price target here is if it breaks out by then, it's going to be about just right underneath 9 cents Moonwell. Okay. Now, price targets are estimates only, right? It could be more, it could be less. During very bullish markets, like we have seen, if you guys have been around for 2020, 2021, I usually saw price targets getting smashed and price action just kept going. There has been more volatile markets and, of course, even bear markets where price targets don't go as far as what the price target measures. Okay. So this is basically what I'm seeing for Moonwell. Let's kind of zoom in to a smaller time frame and see if I can get any more clues on what this market could be doing. Now, it had formed a falling wedge pattern. Again, very common pattern you guys should learn to pay attention to. Price target actually broke out already, so I'm going to adjust it for this actual breakout point. Price target out of this smaller falling wedge pattern is going to be about 3.5 cents Moonwell. This is on the smaller time frame, and that would take this market basically back up to actually out of this bigger falling wedge pattern. Quite a bit of resistance along the way, including the daily 200, which is a very important moving average, sloping down very steeply. I would say that's going to be pretty strong resistance, right? For the more likely than not, right? So that is basically what I'm seeing. One of the things I usually do during volatile markets is I generally take shorter targets, right? Just because of what I said. There's not going to be a lot of, it's not going to be the crazy bull strength you guys would see during a bull market, right? So I generally take shorter targets. I am not in Moonwell right now, but it's one of the coins I will be looking into for opportunities. I am long on quite a bit of the markets here, betting on a breakout from Bitcoin, of course. And if Bitcoin actually breaks out, I think we're going to get a much better bull market. But right now, it's still waiting on Bitcoin. Okay, that's basically wraps up for this video for today. If you guys want to see more of Moonwell and my opinions, and of course my opinions only, not financial advice for any of this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, letting me know you guys want to see more of Moonwell. And I'll see you guys on the next one.